Hey, hello guys, welcome to this one more new video. In today's video, I am going to tell you that how to protect your account by hackers. So that I am in this video, I am going to tell you about how to protect your social media accounts like Instagram, Facebook, Netflix, GitHub, and many of the social media accounts. How to protect your accounts by hackers. So in the last video, I have tell you that how to hack any social media account easily. So in this video, I am going to tell you that how to protect your social media account by the hackers. So let's start with the video. Before starting the video, again I have the same request. Please subscribe my channel so that you can get notified whenever I put a new video. And there is one more request that please share this channel as much as you can so that we can create awareness in our society from that hackers. So now without wasting any time, let's start. As you can see in my screen guys, I have just now one message was arrived of PhonePe. When I clicked on PhonePe, he take me to the fake website. So in my PC also some notifications are coming, but I have disabled that. In the next video I will tell you that how to disable some settings from your phone so that hacker can never enter your phone by making such fake links. But for making that video I'll need some time, so I'm sure that I will make that video, but it will take time. So now let's start with the video. So I have made already links, so I will show you by copying the link. Yes guys, so in this link it will show that please your Facebook isn't secured, please secure your Facebook account from the hackers. Now hacker are only saying that please protect your account by a hacker. That's great. Now I will enter this URL and I will press enter. As I have tell you that my PC is secured, so it is asking me this protective site ahead. So I will click on details and I will continue because I want to show you that how hacker is entering in your PC. As you can see here, the clone page of Facebook is in front of me. Hackers are making such a clone page such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Netflix, any of the clone page and showing to you. Now here I will put any random username, I will put random password and I will click check here and I will click on verify. So it will directly redirect me to my Facebook account only. As you can see, I have entered a fake username and password, but then also I am redirected to my Facebook account only. So what hackers are doing basically, I will show you in a whiteboard. So let me open a whiteboard. I'll show you by opening a whiteboard, so it would be more easy to understand you that how hacker do that. So basically this is your device. You can take either mobile phone or anything. I know guys, my drawing is little bad. So this is your device. So we will give this name as object A, and this is a hacker is made at a checkpoint between you and a Facebook. So we will give this a name as a hacker. So we will put a text here. So now we will take here again, and now here we will write device. We can write your device, and after that we will use a pen again, and here this original website. I will explain you very deeply that what is happening exactly. This is the original site. So now we'll click on text. So now I'll come here again. And so what is hacker doing basically? This is your mobile phone or device, and this is original website. So the hacker is whenever we open a Facebook, we do a direct communication between you and a website directly. Whenever you click on Facebook, the your system will directly take you to your original site. But when hacker gives you the link, nothing will happen. Your device will directly open the previous Facebook only, but while opening that, hacker will create a wall in between, and in that wall it will ask for your username and password. So whenever you will put, it will directly redirect to the Facebook account only. It will not redirect you to any of his account. It will open the Facebook which you are opening previously, but in between it will create a wall, and in that wall it will ask you to create enter your name, and then it will directly take you to the original website. So stay away from these fake hackers. These all are fake. These are fake. So now I will show you by making Instagram follower. There is one more thing like Instagram follower, as you can see here. This I am generating the link. Guys, this is also very popular, such as increase your Instagram follower by 10,000 and increase your unlimited followers. So that link is also created by hacker only. Please do not enter that link. I will show you the trick that how to stay protected from that link. Guys, please also do not download any untrusted app from the Play Store also, because in that app also hacker are putting their hacking virus. The Play Store is little bit protected, but do not download anything from the Chrome, because Chrome or any of the web browser is insecure, and any of the unknown user is putting any malicious virus there, and when we click on that, we can get hacked very easily. So how to stay, I will tell you how to stay protected. I'm putting random name and password, as you can see, and I'm clicking on submit. So it is redirecting me directly to the Instagram only, as I have said you before also. So how to stay protected? So guys, in setting of your mobile of Android, we have to go on setting, and then we have to disable the setting of the unknown publishers. We can check that easily of unknown publisher. Now I will tell you that how to stay protected from the hackers of Instagram. So I'll tell you this again. So first of all, whenever you see the link like this, login.html or ngrok.io login, you can see, because many of the website is using login, so login.html is common. But whenever you see any of the digit in the URL, so stay alert from the digit. And also whenever you will open any link, if the here it is showing dangerous, so please do not dangerous, or it will show something. If here it is showing saved, then it's okay. Like suppose I will open this URL, so here it's showing nothing, means this URL is safe. This is the official Facebook's URL. Here it will show that you are safe, but whenever I will open a fake URL, it will show me a danger. Guys, hacker can make any, means any of the websites clone, means he will clone any of the website. So in the next video I am going to tell you about how to clone any of the website, means how to create fake website, and also make you a video that how to stay protected from any of that fake website. So till that time, bye bye, take care, and make sure you like, share and subscribe. So thank you for watching.